Welcome to the VegasVegan. My name is Kristina, and I take restaurant recipes and veganize them. Today's restaurant recipe, the Veggie Nut Crunch Sandwich. Today's recipe is a simple vegan recipe that requires zero cooking skills. All you have to do is know how to toast your bread. I think we can all handle that one. This sandwich is one of those foods high in protein and goes right in line with what I eat in a day, vegan healthy. Wrapping up Veganuary, even non-vegans join the Veganuary movement, trying to get rid of those toxins and those calories that we've ingested during the holidays. Now it's time to get to eating a lot more veggies and a lot more heart healthy, good for us, plant-based whole foods. The Veggie Nut Crunch Sandwich is one of my favorite sandwiches of all time. I first discovered this sandwich about 15 years ago in South Shore Lake Tahoe, where I used to live. I'd walk over, me and the kids, to this little cafe called Sprouts. It was just walking distance to Reagan Beach, and I would pick up this sandwich every time that I went there. And I've been eating this sandwich ever since. Today, I'm so excited to share this restaurant recipe with you.
So always do your prep work. Always prep your vegetables first, and then your recipe is going to come together just as fast as it does in the restaurant.
Let's get into this restaurant recipe. To begin, I shred my carrots, and then I start chopping all of my crunchy vegetables. I slice up my beautiful number 9 avocado. By the way, all of my vegetables used in this recipe are number 9s. They're organic, they're non-GMO, and free of pesticides. I chop up my red cabbage, my beautiful tomatoes, my cucumbers. I'm using sunflower seeds raw. Then I grab my Dave's Killer Bread. I'm using Mayoko's cream cheese. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's go. First, toast your nutted bread. Second, spread on that cream cheese. I'm using Mayoko's vegan cream cheese for this recipe, and it's just gonna give it enough creamy texture to hold the vegetables together and create a perfect sandwich. Then I'm going to layer my red cabbage, my shredded carrots, my cucumbers, my tomatoes. I'm going to top with a few sunflower seeds just to give it a crunch in the middle. Then I'm going to add some alfalfa sprouts. And this is where the sprouted sandwich in Tahoe got its name, from Sprouts Cafe. Then I'm going to add a little season. And for more creamy texture, I'm going to add some avocado. Now this is my trick. To get this sandwich high in protein, I'm going to add my raw sunflower seeds and stick them to the vegan cream cheese. And now this sandwich is one of those foods high in protein. All that's left to do is cut into this bad boy. And look at how thick this sandwich is. There you have it. The Veggie Nut Crunch Sandwich, veganized. I'm adding some frill picks to keep this bad boy together, and that's what we do in the restaurants. But to veganize this recipe, it was easy. We took one ingredient, the cream cheese, and we substituted it with a vegan cream cheese. Getting those heart-healthy feels.
This sandwich is everything. It's crunchy from the toast and the different crunchy vegetables and the sunflower seeds, and then the creaminess of the vegan cream cheese that just holds it all together. I'm gonna try and get a whole big bite of this amazing sandwich. Here we go.
Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, my friends. See you next time on the Vegas Vegan. Keep watching for more restaurant recipes veganized.